The boy who beat laziness. A boy sleeping late in the morning, his school bag untouched, alarm clock ringing. Laziness can destroy dreams, but discipline can build empires. This is the story of Aditya, a boy who fought laziness and changed his life forever. Aditya was smart, but he loved comfort. He would wake up late, skip homework, avoid sports, and spend hours on his phone. His grades kept dropping, and teachers started calling him careless. Even his best friend stopped trusting him for group projects. Aditya didn't fail because he wasn't intelligent. He failed because laziness controlled him. The shocking moment. One day, the teacher announces a speech competition. Aditya signs up without preparation. On stage, he forgets his lines, and everyone laughs at him. That night, he feels ashamed and thinks, I lost not because I can't do it, but because I didn't prepare. His mother tells him gently, Son, talent is nothing without discipline. Laziness is your real enemy. Aditya makes a promise to himself. From tomorrow, no more excuses. He starts small, wakes up early every day, spends 1 hour studying without his phone. Practices speaking in front of a mirror for 10 minutes daily, goes jogging to build energy. At first, he struggles, his body craves comfort, but he pushes through. Discipline is hard only until it becomes habit. Aditya was rewriting his habits. Slowly things change. His grades improve. He wins the trust of his teachers. In the next competition, he speaks confidently and wins second prize. His classmates cheer for him and his parents feel proud. Aditya learned that victory is not against others but against your own laziness. Aditya waking up before sunrise, smiling while studying with focus. Discipline is the key that unlocks success. Laziness steals your future, but discipline builds it. Be like Aditya, choose discipline today. Discipline is doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like doing it. Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.